I'm Allison. I'm a local realtor here in Vero Beach, and I want to introduce you to my passion project, which is called Coastal Connections. And I have with us our founder, our mighty leader, Kendra Bergman.
Hi everybody, it's great to be here and be a part of this passion project for Allison. I'm the founder and executive director of Coastal Connections, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the survival of sea turtles. And our mission is to help sea turtles survive by educating and connecting people to the environment. So we're here at a turtle dig today, and we're super excited to have Allison on our team and joining us. And we're excited to bring you along with us so you can see some of the things that Allison and our other volunteers do at our turtle digs today.
So why Vero Beach?
Why Vero Beach? So this organization was founded about 6 years ago. We've grown a lot in 6 years, which is extremely exciting, but in Vero Beach, there was still a need. Vero Beach is one of the most highly densely nested beaches for loggerhead sea turtles in the world. We are connected to the Archie Carr National Wildlife Refuge, and we get a lot of that overflow of that exciting nesting success story. So we're actually celebrating a record nesting year here in Vero Beach with over 10,000 nests, and that number is going to keep growing throughout the summer. Sea turtles are not just another great animal that's on the endangered species list. Sea turtles are what we call a keystone species, meaning that without sea turtles, there would be a cascading negative impact in our coastal ecosystems. And so how sea turtles play a significant role in the health of our oceans and the health of our beaches and even the health of our Indian River Lagoon is as sea turtles grow up over 15 to 20 years and can even as an adult, we think, make it to 80 years or even older, within their lifetime, they're traveling to all of these different types of habitats, and on their back, they're bringing with them other critters. They're homes for other animals like small crustaceans or even barnacles, and they're traveling thousands and thousands of miles across our seas. And also our turtles that are, once they're adults and they come up on our beaches to nest, they lay eggs, nests of eggs, hundreds and hundreds of eggs throughout the summer. And as those eggs incubate, hatchlings will emerge out of those eggs and out of the sand and make their way to the ocean. But the eggshells and the other contents of that nest that are left behind will naturally feed our dune and provide a nitrogen source or fertilizer source for our beautiful vegetation, our sea oats and all the other plants that are necessary for the health of our beaches. So they just do so much throughout their lifetime that it's really important to protect them because they will impact multiple different coastal habitats.
So if someone were to be interested in joining the organization, what would you tell them to be prepared for? What should they expect?
Yes, we love our volunteers here. I think that's one of the things that makes us so special is we have a very small number of staff and a very large number of community volunteers that make this organization run. There's tons of different ways for everybody in our community to be involved. For instance, even International Coastal Cleanup Day. So we want, if you are interested in being a part of this organization by volunteering and giving back with your time and your hands, we would absolutely love to have you on our team and be a part of our family. And the first thing to do is go through a volunteer orientation.
Thank you very much. Now let's go find some turtles.
Let's go see some turtles.
All right.